Hello, welcome to all B.Ed aspirants on online platform of Bhagwati Shikshak Prashikshana Mahavidyalaya. Myself, Dr. Rakesh Kumar Jain, Assistant Professor, English Teaching. Today, we start a introductory section of Pedagogy of English Teaching and introductory topic Nature of English Language. Nature of English Language. First of all, English language is a global and widely used. English, as we know, English is an international language spoken in many countries. It is often called a global lingua franca because people from different linguistic backgrounds used it to communicate in business purpose, education, science, and travel purpose. And then it is dynamic and ever changing language. English is not fixed, it constantly evolves. New words are added, like as selfie or AI words are new words, and meanings shift over time due to cultural, technological, and social changes. And then it has a rich vocabulary. English has a vast vocabulary because it has borrowed words from many languages such as Latin, French, German, Hindi, and other language. This makes it flexible and impressive. And next, it have simply grammar. It has simply grammar relatively compared to some other language. English grammar is considered simpler because no gender for most nouns, limited verb conjugations, no complex cases system like in Sanskrit or German. However, it still has irregularities. Example: go, went, child, or children. Next, it is flexible in nature. It is flexible in nature. English allows flexibility in sentence formation while the usual order is subject, verb, and object. But variations are possible for emphasis or style. And then borrowing nature. It has borrowing nature. English easily adopts words from other languages. For example, bungalow, it is Hindi word, like as restaurant, it is French word. So this makes it highly adaptive. So next, nature of English language is varieties and dialects. English has many forms. not one form. English has many forms: British English, American English, Indian English, etc. Each has differences in pronunciation, spelling, and vocabulary. Next, variety of English language: phonetic irregularity. Spelling and pronunciation don't always match, like as tough, through, tough, making it sometimes difficult to learn. So I think all the students uh, understand this very well, and we will meet you next meeting. Okay, thanks.